Hi everyone, welcome back to Homeschooling. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press that notification bell for more interesting videos. Today in this video, let's see 5 New Year's resolutions for teens. So let's start. Point number 1. I will do my chores every day. Point number 2. I will eat at least 2 fruits and vegetables every day. Point number 3. I will limit the time I spend in front of the television. Point number 4. I will try to find a sport that I like and exercise at least 3 times a week. Point number 5. I will be respectful to my parents. Teachers and elders. So these are the 5 resolutions. So these are the 5 New Year's resolutions for teens. I hope you like this video and hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. And please do watch other videos too. Keep watching Homeschooling. Thank you. Bye.